Hola, estudiantes. I'm going to explain the assignment for Monday, February 23rd. So basically, I would have given you this classroom objects sheet. You're going to need that. Then you need the flex text of the textbook to refer to the vocabulary. So you should click flex text. You should know about that already. Remember, we're in Unit 1. Unidad uno. You got to scroll down to the vocabulary. You can do that one of two ways. Either go here and hit that, te acuerdas, or hit it over here, te acuerdas, and eventually you get to the vocabulary we've been studying. That's actually pretty important here for the assignment, page 7. You're going to need that too. But to scroll down, it's here, okay, the vocabulary under te acuerdas. There it is, okay. So that would be under page 13 of the flex text. Basically, the main thing you're using in this is these materiales escolares, like school materials. So that's where you'll find the school materials that you should know about. But what you really need to do is go to page 7, and that lists the prepositions which you're supposed to be using with the assignment. So I'm going to scroll to page 7. I passed it up. And you're focusing on basically this stuff here, okay? These expressions here, to the right of, to the left of. And you can only use these once. You're writing 8 sentences. You're also using the verb estar. So están or está. I'm going to give you an example what you're going to do. So you're going to write 8 sentences about where things are in this picture. So, like the pen is to the left of the boy. And there's a variety of different things that you can say here. There's so many different things you can say next to, in front of. Okay, so you got to come up with your own original sentence for each one. So I don't know, maybe I just call this class objects maybe when you're using prepositions. Hey, so you first have to decide, one is the word el, la, los, or las. So that would be like here, like the pen. Well, the word pen ends in an O, so it'd be L. But I'm going to write all the options for the. It's either el, la, los, or las. And you can use this as a template to help you. I'm going to put the words in red that you have to decide what you have to use, basically. Because this is for accuracy, by the way. And I want this done on a piece of paper, not on a document. El, la, los, or las. And then I know it's L, because it's bolígrafo. So I'm going to say El bolígrafo, the pen, just for the sake of writing a template up here. I'm just going to put the words in black that are kind of variables. Okay, so El bolígrafo, where is the pen? Okay, it's to the right of the boy. But you first have to say is. So if it's singular, you say está for locations of things. If it's something plural, like the pens, you would say están, because you might be using something plural. Okay? So where is the pen? I said to the left of the boy. So that's when I go over here, a la izquierda de. So I would use this, a la izquierda de. And then you also need el, la, los, or las for this part too. Is it el, la, los, or las for the boy? Okay? So in that case, I mean, you could use the word student, I guess, but I'm going to use chico. So the final sentence, so use this as a template for your 8 sentences. There's 8 sentences. El bolígrafo está a la izquierda de el chico. Now, you also keep this in mind too, that you're supposed to combine de and el to make del. Just keep that in mind if you're faced with de and el. So you're writing 8 sentences based on that picture, 8 frases. Use this here as a template, like how you're going to write your sentences, based on this picture and these prepositions. Okay, you can only use one. There's 10 here. So you can't use any one of these more than once. Okay? All right. Yeah.